Have you ever reached a point where every door seems closed? You try one way, it shuts. You try another, it shuts again. No matter how much you pray, plan, or push, nothing moves. You start asking yourself, why me? Why is life so hard? Why does nothing work out? Let me tell you something. Those closed doors are not the end. They are a message. They are a sign that Allah is protecting you from paths that are not meant for you. Sometimes you think you lost everything, but in truth, Allah is preparing you for something better. You might not see it now, but one day you will look back and say, that closed door saved me. You see, life tests your patience. It tests your faith. When nothing makes sense, when every effort fails, that is the moment when Allah wants you to pause. To stop chasing what is not written for you. To trust Him more than your plan. Maybe you wanted that job so badly, and it slipped away. Maybe you loved someone who walked away. Maybe you worked hard for a goal and still failed. It hurts, yes. But remember, every loss hides a lesson. Every delay hides mercy. Every silence hides an answer. When a door closes, it is not rejection. It is redirection. Allah never blocks your way without opening another one. But He opens it at the right time, not your time. The problem is, you want the answer now. You want the pain to end now. You want the new door to appear immediately. But that is not how faith works. Faith is trusting the unseen. It is believing in His plan even when you see nothing changing. Think about this. You plant a seed. You water it. For days, nothing happens. You wonder if it will ever grow. But under the soil, something is happening. The roots are spreading. The seed is growing in silence. The same happens with your life. When you feel nothing is moving, Allah is working in silence. He is shaping your path. He is preparing your heart. He is teaching you patience, strength, and trust. Sometimes He keeps you waiting so you can learn what peace feels like when you stop forcing things. Sometimes He removes people so you can learn what real love feels like when it comes from Him. You might feel forgotten, but you are never unseen. You might feel alone, but He is always near. You might feel broken, but He is mending you piece by piece. Remember this. You cannot open a door that Allah has closed for your protection. You cannot lose something that was never yours. But you can always find peace in surrender. You can always find comfort in knowing that Allah never makes a mistake. So the next time life closes a door on you, breathe. Step back. Whisper, I trust you. Then wait. Because the door that Allah opens will not just be right, it will be perfect. It will not bring confusion, it will bring clarity. It will not drain your heart, it will fill it with peace. It will not make you question your worth, it will remind you how deeply you are cared for. Allah's timing is never late. His plan is never wrong. His mercy is never absent. You only need to hold on. Keep your faith alive when nothing feels right. Keep your prayers strong when silence feels heavy. Keep your hope bright when the world feels dark. Because when Allah opens that right door, every closed one will finally make sense. You will understand why you had to wait. You will understand why it had to be hard. You will realize He was not punishing you, He was protecting you. So lift your head. Wipe your tears. Your story is not over. Allah is still writing it. The closed doors were never the end, they were the start of something better. When Allah opens that door, you will smile and say, this was worth the wait. If these words touched your heart, share them with someone who needs hope. Subscribe for more reminders that speak to your soul. You never know whose heart you might help heal today.